In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find jobs on LinkedIn. If you're using LinkedIn for your job search, the good news is that the platform makes it pretty simple to find openings that match what you're looking for. The key is knowing where to click and how to use the search tools effectively so you don't waste time scrolling through unrelated results. To get started, go to the top navigation bar on LinkedIn and click the Jobs tab. You can also use the search bar at the top left of the LinkedIn dashboard if that feels faster or more convenient for you. Both options will help you begin your job search, so use whichever method fits your workflow best. Once you're there, type in the job description or job title you want to find. Try to be specific enough to get relevant results. For example, instead of typing something too broad, you can enter the exact role you're interested in, so LinkedIn has a better idea of what to show you. After entering your search, select Jobs so LinkedIn filters the results and shows only job postings related to what you typed. This is important because LinkedIn can also display people, companies, and posts in general search results. And choosing the Jobs filter keeps your search focused only on available positions. By default, LinkedIn will usually try to show jobs near your location. At the top of the page, you'll see a row of filters that you can apply to refine the results. This is where the search becomes much more useful, especially if you're trying to save time and focus only on roles that truly fit your needs. You can select filters like date posted, experience level, company, remote options, and more. These filters help you narrow down your job hunt results so you're not sorting through positions that are too old, too far away, or not aligned with your background. If you're looking for something flexible, the remote filter can be especially helpful. If you're trying to target a certain stage in your career, the experience level filter makes that much easier. As you apply these tools, keep adjusting them until the list feels relevant and manageable. A more refined search usually leads to better opportunities and a smoother application process. Once you find a posting that looks interesting, select the job to open the full details. From there, you can read the description, review the requirements, and see how the application process works on LinkedIn. And that's it. That's how to find jobs on LinkedIn quickly and efficiently.